back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to be creating this smoky pride inspired makeup look. I am so excited to share with you guys this tutorial. I hope you guys are excited too. I'm actually going to be going to my very first Pride March in New York City. So that is exciting, and this is a look that I do plan to wear on that specific day. I just finished posting a picture on my Instagram on this look, so if you guys don't follow me, I'll leave it up here as well as link down below my Instagram page, and make sure you guys show some love to my most recent picture. And let's get right into this tutorial. So the first shade I'm going to take is this bright red shade from the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette. And I'm just going to buff it out on the outer V and blend it out nicely on my crease. Next I'm going to go in with the orange shade in the palette, and we're going to go in the center of the lids, bringing it upwards above the crease. So now that we are done with the two main colors in this, we're gonna next put yellow, but first we're gonna make that yellow a cut crease, and I'm gonna take my Too Faced Born This Way concealer and do a quick half cut crease. Now moving on with this eye, we're going to go in with that beautiful purple shade, and that is going to go on the outer V just how we used the red shade on the other eye. Now we're going to go in with that blue shade. I love this blue shade so much. It's so midnight blue. It's beautiful, and that's going to go in the center of this entire lid. You see guys, this is a perfectly good reason as to why I normally do my eye makeup first before doing any of my face makeup. And that is because of fallout. Not all palettes have eyeshadows and the pigmentations where they do not fall out. Some palettes don't fall out as much, but other palettes like this one in particular, do you see this? This would have ruined all my face makeup. Now just an easy wipe, I can easily clean it up. I'm going to apply some Essence mascara. This is the Voluminizing Mascara, and this is waterproof as well. I'm going to apply this, then I'm going to put some lashes off camera, and then we'll get right back into the video to complete the rest of the look. I'm back. So I just popped on some lashes. These are the Ardell Wispy lashes. I did put on the Essence mascara like I showed you guys before. I did that quick transition, and now we're going to clean this up. We're also going to add an inner corner highlight and then move on to my foundation and concealer routine. So going in with my inner corner highlight, we're going to be taking the Morphe x Jaclyn Hill The Vault collection, and this is the Arms Are Gorgeous palette, and I'm going to be taking the shade VIP, and that's what we're going to be popping in the inner corner. Next I'm going to take some makeup removing wipes, and I'm just going to clean up any fallout. Next, we're going to go in with the No Problem Primer from Touch in Soul. This is actually an item that I received in my Boxy charm from June, which is this month. If you guys haven't seen that video, then make sure you guys check it out. I have it linked down below. Next, I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Matte and Poreless foundation, and this is in the shade 332. Next, I'm going to grab my Too Faced Born This Way concealer and just conceal. I'm going to highlight the high points of my face, so that is under my eyes, the bridge of my nose, and I am the person to put the little dot to create like a button nose. I love that look, but of course it's personal preference, and I always put highlight there as well. Now I'm just going to take my beauty sponge from Real Techniques and just blend out the highlight. Next, I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Fit Me Translucent Powder, and this I'm going to use to bake. I always flip it over and tap it. That way all of this is there. So as I'm baking, I'm gonna bronze, and this is the bronzing shade. Clearly you can tell that I use this quite a bit. I literally use it every day. This is a highlighting shade as well as a blush, and this is from Macy's Corporation, I believe. I got it as a gift, and literally I'm obsessed with this bronze. Taking this beautiful fluff brush, it's so colorful, and I actually got it with the bronzer that I received for a Christmas gift. So yes, I've been using it for a while as well, and I'm just going to blend all my bake as well as the bronzer. So now we're going to complete the eye look. We're just going to follow the same order that we did for each eye on the lids. So for this one, we're going to go in with yellow, then orange, and red. That is that. Now we're going to do this eye, and it's going to be green, blue, and purple. Next, we're actually going to go in with that palette I mentioned before with the bronzer, the highlighter, and blush. And we're going to go in with the blush, which is this over here. It's a nice mauve, like a dark mauve-y shade. For highlighter today, I will be using the Maybelline Master Strobing Liquid Highlighter. I really love this highlighter. I used to use it all the time when I went on my recent vacation. It gives a nice subtle glow, and it is super easy and very convenient to apply. And I'm just dotting it all over. It gives a nice subtle glow, and then we're going to put it above my brows as well, like my temples. So for lips today, I'm debating between a nice hot red or a nice sweet pink. So this is the red, and this is the pink. I think we're gonna go with pink. This is the shade Peach from the Lemonade collection from Dominique Cosmetics. I absolutely love this gloss, not only because of the shade, it's really pretty, but also because it smells so delicious. So we're going to go on with this lip liner. This is the Palladio lip liner in the shade Raspberry. Guys, that concludes today's video, this Smoky Pride makeup inspired look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, then please leave me a big thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, then please subscribe down below and hit the notifications bell. That way you won't miss any of my upcoming videos. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.